Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, September 25, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. You?
I'm okay. This coffee helps a lot. Did you see the news this week?
Which one? There are many stories.
The one about Airbus and tariffs. It's big for business.
Yes, I read it. Airbus says they will not pay the new tariffs on planes to U.S. airlines. It's from the Wall Street Journal last week.
Right. They think the tariffs are too high. It could cost airlines a lot of money.
True. Our company flies often for sales. Prices might go up.
Exactly. I book trips all the time. This makes my job harder.
As a project manager, I plan team travels too. We need to watch the budget.
Yeah. If flights cost more, clients might complain. Businesses hate extra costs.
It affects the whole economy. Companies like ours feel it first.
I agree. Maybe talks will fix it soon. Pass the milk, please.
Here, black coffee for me today. Strong and simple.
Good choice. Hey, did you hear about the new tool from Meta?
No, tell me, is it tech news?
Yes. Meta launched an AI tool for office meetings. From the New York Times, September 21.
Oh, interesting. What does the AI do?
It listens to meetings. It takes notes and makes summaries fast.
That sounds helpful. I hate typing during calls.
Me too. In sales, I talk a lot. This saves time.
For projects, it's great. I can focus on ideas, not writing.
But is it easy to use? We have old computers here.
They say it's simple. Works on phones too.
Cool. Our team could try it in the next meeting.
Yes, it might make work faster. But privacy worries me.
Me too. Who sees the notes? Data is important.
Meta promises it's safe. Still, we ask it first is.
Smart. Tech changes quick. We adapt or fall behind.
True, coffee break is short. More news?
One more. About Tony Stewart and his wife.
The race car driver? What's new?
Yes. He will race against his wife Lee Prout next year. From USA Today, around September 20.
Wow, in NASCAR? That's fun.
Top Fuel Drag Racing. They are a team but compete.
Family in sports shows support and challenge.
Exactly. Like us at work, we help but push each other.
Nice compare. Entertainment like this brings people joy.
Yeah. After busy days, watching races relaxes.
I watch sometimes. Fast cars are exciting.
But dangerous, they are brave.
Yes, society needs these stories. Positive vibes?
Totally. Makes news better than bad stuff.
Agreed, my cup is half full. Yours?
Almost gone. This chat wakes me up more than coffee.
Huh, good talks do that. How's your week so far?
Busy with calls. Clients ask about prices.
Mine too. Projects run late sometimes.
We all feel that. Teamwork helps.
Yes, like the racing couple. Support wins.
True. Back to Airbus, do you think tariffs stay?
Hard to say. Politics moves slow.
Hope not. Affects my sales targets.
And my timelines, travel plans change.
Let's email the boss about it.
Good idea. Share concerns early.
Now the AI tool, when do we test?
Next week, maybe. Ask the manager.
Sounds good. Makes meetings less boring.
Definitely. I dread long notes.
Me too. Racing news cheers me up.
Yes, family goals inspires us.
Like our office family. We stick together.
Nice. Coffee machine is quiet now.
Early birds get the best brew.
True. Time to start the day.
One more sip. How's your project going?
On track. Deadlines push us.
Mine too. Sales numbers climb slow.
Keep going. You are good at it.
Thanks, you manage well.
Appreciate that. News like today helps chat.
Yes, breaks the routine.
Exactly. Airbus story worries me a bit.
Me too, but we handle it.
Strong like race cars.
Huh, good one. Meta AI could help reports.
Yes, auto summaries save hours.
Imagine no more typos in notes.
Perfect. Tony and Lee story is sweet.
Married and racing, cool life.
Goals balance work and fun.
We try, office life is ours.
Yes, cup empty, ready for desk.
Almost. See you in the hall.
Bye for now. Have a productive day.
You two, talk soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.